Good day, global crypto enthusiasts. This is 88 Fantastic coming to you Saturday, October 26th, 2019. Apologies for yesterday's video with the audio. Man, all year long, audio issues, and all I got to remember to do is reset my Microsoft default. Hey, anyways, we're gonna go back through yesterday's. We're gonna do the same thing as we did in yesterday's video. We're going to look at a quick market review here and see what's been happening. Very, very interesting 36 hours. And then the last half of our video, we're going to show people how to earn free Bitcoin. It's really weird. The people that do not work have no interest in earning free money, and I've had inboxes from people saying, well, when you're working, how do you claim a free Bitcoin? So I'm going to show you that in the last half of our video. So as we can see in our Bitcoin intraday, Bitcoin sitting at $9,130 as we see it jump up a little bit there. The day low from yesterday at 7,400 with the day high of 10,203. And there from our chart, you can just see the absolutely crazy action we saw last night. For me personally, was very, very happy with it. Looking at my normal portfolio, and when you can see what dollar cost averaging in and making a couple of really good swing trades, one day of action like that can really ramp up your portfolio real sweet. So before we get into the market, let's look at our market. Our total market, this is our 7-day right now. And as you can see by the scale here, just absolutely how crazy those 36 hours really, really were. And then the market actually scaled back a little bit. Last night was really good to see when Bitcoin actually hit 10,200. It didn't sit there very long, came back pretty quickly, and the main battle last night was between about 9,450 and about 9,700. It really floated back and forth between there last night, and then as you can see, a couple of hours, or probably about 6 hours ago, really started to solidify just between that 9,100 and 9,200 mark. So again, what we're hoping to see was this. Where we're sitting right now in October, we're really hoping to be well over that 300 billion mark, approaching the 400 to 450. For me personally, I entered in April of 2018 when the market was at 450, and I've been buying in a couple times a month from April of 18 all the way back down till now, when the market was even sitting as low as 100 billion, right? So let's check out our market. Now we're sitting at 3,047 cryptocurrencies. Our market is sitting at 240 billion with a daily, look at that daily volume though, 140 billion per 24 hours. So let's actually see who's actually moved a little bit in the last 24, and we're going to see some. Well, yesterday when we looked, I mean, almost everybody was between 15 and 40%. So as you can see, who's going here. So who's still gaining from yesterday right now? And you can see Horizon at 20%, Bytom. Bytom's volume is really nice to see, because Bytom's volume was really, really low there for a long time. And while we're on the subject of talking about 24-hour volume, this is something I really recommend you go and check into your portfolio. If you're somebody like me that's been buying coins for a couple of years, you really need to pay attention to your 24-hour trading volume, because if this number gets too low, there's a very good chance that your coin might be taken right off of the exchanges. And there has been some that have done that in the past, where you don't even recognize it, and you see you go out to somebody and you hit markets, and there's no more market for your coin. So something to be aware of. It's one of those really shitty situations where you actually might have to trade out at a massive loss, because your project is just simply not going anywhere right now. So not much more we can talk about. Bitcoin dominance, market's gone up, but the other day when we did our video, Bitcoin was sitting at 66.6%. Now it's back up to 68.2%. Let's check out our 24-hour volume. Look at the trading volume in Tether right now. 53 billion per 24. Bitcoin at 44. Again, for me, the big one to watch has been Ethereum, where Ethereum actually went backwards there for a little while at trading between that 5 and 5.5 billion. Look at ETH now, ramped all the way back up. So now with the price sliding back, what's happening, and why is Tether so high? Because with all of that profit, everybody sold back out and everybody bought back into Tether right now. So that's why we have that crash when it goes all the way up to 10,200. All of those people sold back out into Tether USD, and that's why the price drops, and that's why Tether's volume is so bloody high. All right, so let's get on to faucets and how we're doing faucets. Okay, so the number one thing is you're on YouTube right now, and you're going to keep the About section opened up, and you're going to go onto Crypto tab browser. So I don't have it loaded up onto this laptop, because if I've got a gaming card on this laptop, and that's the only place I recommend you do not use the Crypto tab browser is on a gaming laptop, because it will hum and it will whistle, and it'll make your device just a little bit hot. Whereas if you're using Crypto Tab Browser on any other device, it's perfectly fine. There's no heat issues, there's no volume issues. And again, so when you click onto my link for Crypto Tab Browser, it's going to take you into the Google Store, and it is a Google extension. So when you load it up, now here's my Ether wallet here. When you load it up, you will see an orange C symbol for Crypto Tab Browser. You'll click onto that, and then right about here in your screen, you'll see the mining button. Just click it on the max, and that's it. So as long as you got an open window, like right here, just any open window like that, and you got Crypto Tab Browser running, it works. So again, you got that running now. What you're going to do secondly of all is you're still in my About section. You're going to come over to my Faucet Hub link, and you're going to get signed up over here. The main reason you get signed up for Faucet Hub is here. I'll show you the sites. Come on, baby. And you can see the amount of sites that offer all of these free coins, and all of these sites directly pay you right into your Faucet Hub. And we'll show you why this is important. We'll scroll all the way down here. Right here to check your balance. Punch in your wallet address. And then we'll show you once again where all of my BTC for this month has come. And again, cointiply, all cointiply. And this is just simply from running videos. So we've racked up, what, 180,000 satoshis, and I'm getting ready for another cash out. And this is just in the month of October. So as you can see, every single one here, Earn, Add BTC, Coinball, Kickass, Bitcoin, these are all paid to click sites. And cointiply is simply running the videos. So again, why this is so important to get signed up over at Faucet Hub. So after you get signed up, and again, it just needs an email, that's it. You're going to grab your receiving address for your Bitcoin wallet, and you're going to punch it into here, select the currency, which is Bitcoin, and then you would hit link. That's it. And then your receiving address stays in here. So when you do want to withdraw, your address is already linked and verified. So then all you got to do is withdraw your balance, and you're good to go. The number 3 thing you want to do on how I'm earning so much Bitcoin Satoshis is, again, you're in my About section, and you want to come over and get signed up to my cointiply. First thing you want to do when you sign up a cointiply is come over and roll the faucet. And every day that you log in and do some form of activity, you move up your multiplier. Super awesome. So we'll just do this real quick for you guys, and then we'll get out of here. Try and keep it as quick as possible. And again, this is for the people, I mean, it's for anybody, but I mean, if you're working, this is a super good way to earn. So now we're going to come to earn coins. And these are all, look at all of the ways over at Faucet Hub that you can earn anything in. And we're going to do what's called watch videos. Okay, so what I normally do is the first one I'll do is creator for a day, 10 videos. On this one here, though, the window has to stay open. You can't click out of it and let it run. That's the only negative about this one, but it only takes about maybe 15 minutes, and then you get paid for that. So if you want to skip that process, you've gotten out of the shower, you got to get to work. You've got your Crypto Tab Browser open, and by watching it, your videos over here at Hideout, now, you need to log in. So this is how you log in. Oh, I got to put my smoke out. You want to log in first of all. Dun, dun, dun. Again, the hardest part about any of these faucets is actually just getting signed up, and then after that, it's all really, really easy. And then we're going to show you why this is important. All right. We got you, baby. Okay, so now when you're running everything, now you have to get to work, and that's all you got to do is just leave. I got to let this screen run here. Oh, come on, hurry up already. We'll just pause this. All right, so now that you've got this running, what'll happen is you'll leave the video running in an open tab. You've got Crypto Tab Browser open. You've gone through cointiply. You're running Hideout videos. Now you got to get to work. The only thing that's going to happen when you get home is after 3, maybe 4 hours, the screen's going to come up and ask you if you're a robot and you're actually still there paying attention to the video. You just have to do a quick CAPTCHA. That's it. So the main thing is to come over and get signed up. And now let's show you how you cash out here. So you would hit redeem. Now, when you want to redeem your balance, you've got to link the account. So you've signed in, you want to link up cointiply, and that's it. And then when you hit redeem balance, it'll say redeem. You'll click on it, and cointiply will pop up. You'll cash out into cointiply, and it will be instantly in your wallet within seconds. So let's show you the payouts that I've had from here. Let's get on our faucet. Oh, let's just do this again one more time for you. And then when you click on the roll of faucet, it'll show you where all your coins are coming from. So that's all my claims. So there you go. So last night, so there 255 coins. That's for running the creator for a day video. The 1,224 coins I got, that was from writing hideout. And again, I run it all day long, and all you got to do is click in that you're not a robot maybe once every 3 or 4 hours. Now the main thing when you're running the crypto tab browser with the videos is if you're actually at home and you want to keep collecting on it and do something else, all you have to do is when you're doing this is make sure when hideout video is running that the volume button is showing in your screen. So what'll happen is you'll see on the ads, the video say will run for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Right at that 2:10 mark, it'll say loading ad. And when it's loading an ad for the next one, all you got to do is open up another screen while it's in transaction, and then the volume button will pop up, and then you'll be good to go, and you can do anything in another window. So that's what I'll do is I'll run my video here in this window. I'll pop something else open, and then right here you'll see the volume button still running, and then you can do whatever you want after that. So that's all we got for you guys today. Just a quick market update. The volume is sounding a lot better finally. Just had to figure out a few more things on my end. We'll start getting back into the news here starting tomorrow. Just wanted to show people how to earn free Bitcoin satoshis while you are at work itself. And again, it's not a whole bunch. You're not doing it for the purpose of cashing it out. You're not interested in making $12 to $15 of Bitcoin and cashing it out. You're there to do this to add it on to your existing current stack. That way, sometime in the future, it's not just a couple of $100 or the couple of $1,000 that you've worked for and invested physically. It'll be all of the free Bitcoin. So for me, myself, I've been doing this since December of 2018. I got about 7% of a Bitcoin just off of Crypto Tab browser and watching videos. And at 7% right now, that's almost 800 USD right now added into my wallet that I didn't have to spend. So that's the whole purpose of doing these videos and the faucets is to add onto our stacks, not to turn around and sell them and make a couple of dollars. You want to add onto your stack. So that's all we got for you guys. Like, sub, share. Let's get some more people in. Sign up to those links. Start earning your free Bitcoin. This is ADA Fantastic, showing you how to take a bite out of the cryptocurrency market. Take care, y'all.